Cognitive Behavioral Couples Therapy by Ariel Labat. Cognitive behavioral couples therapy is a form of cognitive behavioral therapy that sets an emphasis on each other's partner's behavior and how it influences the other. This is also an exchange of positive and negative behavior through communication skills as well as body language, internally and externally. The task in this type of therapy is to adjust the thoughts and interpretations of each partner to make them more aware of what is real in their relationship, not compared to others, and how relationships should be about balance to make things work. Like Albert Einstein says, for every action, there is a reaction. In cognitive therapy, there is a such thing called selective attention. In these relationships that have problems that send them to go to a therapist, selective attention is often one of the big problems that they have in their relationship. Selective attention is the tendency of partners to focus on certain behaviors that are displayed by their mate while overlooking or ignoring others. Another example that goes on during these problematic relationships is attributions. Attributions are the interpretations or explanations for the behaviors and events in the relationships. For an example, one may state, "You forgot to put the milk in my coffee, but did I forget to buy the milk?" Expectations. Expectations are the predictions about what the partner will do or about what will happen in the relationship in the future. For example, in these relationships, the partners may be able to expect good or expect bad. Assumptions. Assumptions reflect the beliefs about how relationships and people actually operate. And finally, there's standards. Standards refer to the way that relationships and partners should be. Relationships should really be about give and take, because the two people in a relationship need to have a give or say, whether they agree or disagree. It's all about communication. For example, Nicole and Richard have been having a lot of problems in their marriage lately because of how they interact with each other on a daily basis. Nicole has always been a very moody person, but lately, Richard has been reacting to Nicole's mood changes in a negative manner. Richard has been assuming in his mind that Nicole is going to be in a bad mood most of the time, which causes him to feel down or angry at times, when in fact Nicole is having a good day that ends up turning sour because of Richard's assumptions. Oftentimes, these moments can cause the two of them to argue a lot, and Nicole has begun to question their marriage, which ultimately leads them to seek professional help through cognitive behavior couples therapy. Next is a short clip that shows some of the other ways besides cognitive behavioral therapy that are also similar to cognitive behavioral therapy with couples and in their relationships that people can work on before or even after they're done with their therapy sessions to keep their relationships happy and healthy.
According to Lifehack, all healthy couples argue, but they say the key to maintaining a strong relationship is resolving disagreements with love and logic. Lifehack's tips include using I feel statements instead of negative you statements. By explaining your feelings and asking clarifying questions, you show your emotions without giving into them. Taking a moment to breathe and control your response is also key. Because feelings change, Lifehack says that taking time to settle before discussion helps. Being present is also essential. Running away from conflict, they say, will only make it grow.